Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious burger quesadilla. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of ground beef, 8 large flour tortillas, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Don't forget your favorite burger toppings like crisp lettuce, sliced tomatoes, and tangy pickles. Also, have your salt, pepper, and garlic powder ready for seasoning. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook our burger patties. Divide your ground beef into 4 equal portions and form them into thin, round patties about 1/4 inch thick. Season both sides liberally with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and cook each patty for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until nicely browned and cooked through. Remember, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. With your patties cooked, it's time to assemble our burger quesadillas. Place a large tortilla in a clean, warm skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, place a cooked burger patty on top of the cheese, followed by your favorite toppings like pickles, onions, or a slice of tomato. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a neat crescent shape. Repeat for all 4 quesadillas. Finally, let's get that perfect golden finish. Cook each assembled quesadilla in the skillet for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy and the cheese is fully melted. Use a spatula to gently press down on the quesadilla, ensuring even contact with the pan. Once done, remove it from the skillet and let it rest for about 1 minute. Slice it into 2 or 3 pieces and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauces. Enjoy your delicious burger quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.